Pretty in Pink. Welcome back, nail enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the world of pink nail art with 7 gorgeous designs that will make your nails the center of attention. Whether you are going for a chic everyday look or something more glamorous, we have got you covered. And this design that started with classic pink and brown combo that's perfect for any occasion. Pink with aqua sticker. Up next, we are going bold with the burst of pink and aqua sticker combination. This design screams fun and personality, making your nails pop. You see this design, how much pink and aqua design for a more cohesive look. We have an elegant pink and aqua combination. It's refreshing and vibrant like day at the beach. Fourth of pink and with black sticker. Now let's add a touch of mystery with pink nails and black sticker accents. It's perfect for a night out and will surely turn heads, and make sure you like it. Design for pink nail design. Pink with sticker. Black star moon. For those who love celestial vibes, check out this pink and black moon sticker design. It's like having a piece of the night sky on your nails. Pink with black star. Speaking of celestial, our next design features pink nail with black star accents. It's a whimsical choice that adds a touch of magic to your manicure. Pink with dark gray style. Last but not least, we are going for a sophisticated look with pink nails and dark gray style. It's sleek, elegant, and perfect for any formal event. There you have it, this time and stunning pink nail design that are sure to dazzle. Which one of your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our fabulous nail art tutorials. Thanks for watching this, and we will see you in the next video.